All right, so what is jihad? First and foremost, jihad is not holy war. All right, there is no concept of holy war in Islam. So jihad in a nutshell, it means that you are struggling, you are positively striving so you can be the best in the eyes of God. All right. So if I have to have a quick 4 concepts within jihad, it is easy to remember, right? If you remember the 4 S's, S, 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 S. So the very first S is striving to be the best, right? Self-improvement. If I'm fighting against drinking and smoking and all the ills, even though I don't drink, I don't smoke, suppose if I want to give up all the bad things, my brother over here, he may say, Sabil, may God help you in your jihad to give up smoking. So jihad, first aspect of jihad is self-improvement, right? S for self-improvement. The second S or the second concept of jihad is society improvement. This mosque over here, they have wonderful services, blood drive, clothing drive, food drive, right? And many, many more things, and many mosques in the USA. So I would say this mosque is doing jihad for a better society, right? Society's betterment is the second definition of jihad. The third S would be self-defense. Just like our country has a budget of like what? $billion for the protection of this country. In the same way, for the protection of Muslim family, Muslim land, Islamic State, everyone has the right to bear up arms and to protect our family, our country, right? And our property. So, and the last S, it stands for saving lives, removing oppression and then saving lives. So jihad is not holy war. Jihad came to fight oppression. Jihad is not terrorism. Jihad is the opposite of it is the opposite of any oppression and any terrorism. So jihad came to fight terrorism. So just to summarize, right? Jihad means you strive by your resources, your time, your talent to make yourself, your family, your mosque, your church, your society better, and then humanity better. So jihad is a positive term. If somebody is misusing it, we blame them, but not the perfect concept of jihad, Sharia, Islam and Quran. And that is what jihad means.